Okay guys, I said I wasn't gonna do it, but here I am. I'm entering and everybody's exiting. I don't know what's going on with that. So let's see. Hey, look, there's people over here, people over there. I don't get it. Hangar bays. Okay.
Every time you say, oh,
Alright, switching to the GoPro for now. I'm going to try to record my reaction. Because this is the first and probably the only time I go on this attraction. At least in California.
there were 4 of us, so that was. Well, I think
While you are inside, if you like the position that you have, you can trade amongst yourselves. All the way in, please, all the way in.
That was fast. Whoa. That was really fast. Ooh, I do like the theming. This is pretty cool. Theming is strong with this one. You know, this is this reminds me a lot of Race Through New York starring Jimmy Fallon. The way that they give you cards with colors. Do 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 do. Don't think so though. Aha! The famous table for Star Wars game things. Ooh, push this button and it does nothing. Yeah, I didn't actually expect to do anything.
Thank you. Heading lights, you see that flash, and if you have any questions, you should have asked me before. Please don't crash.
Flight engineer, repair test. Hit your flashing button. You'd better be faster or we can get in trouble. Right, pilot, push the flashing button to take off. Pilot on the left, move your stick to fly right and left. I was just about to say that. Pilot on the right, pull back on the stick to fly out. And pull forward to fly out. Lights are on light.
Okay, so it's a lot like Mission Space. Can we stop hitting things, please? Please, can we stop hitting things?
Now let's go get that coaxial. Right, pilot. Wave the jump to light speed.
Okay. Right there. Yeah, you got it. Woohoo!
Those heavy ties are protecting the train. Take them out! They've locked onto us. Take evasive action!
Oh man.
There it is. After that train.
Did I do it?
Flight engineers, fire the harpoons. Pilot brakes.
Oh, jeez. We do not have a good pilot
My
today.
friends, that could have been much worse.
Really?
Okay, it's much worse.
Oh, jeez.
Yes, you got one. Excellent, my friends. The power of the ship. Well, I grab the coaxial.
I'm doing pretty well.
You see, just as I promised, my friend. Now that the resistance has what they need, maybe a little something from unknown. Pilots, line up behind the train so we can harpoon that last car. Get behind the train. Flight engineers, fire the harpoons and reel us in. Engineers, hit your flashing button. Shoot the train.
I'm hitting it, it's not doing anything. Oh. Multiple guns. Oh, geez.
Close.
That was my fault, sorry guys.
Gunship. Oh, that's ridiculous. These are getting too hot. You've got to get out of there. Yes, a distraction.
I got this.
Fire the missiles at the train. Hurry.
Oh.
It's coming down.
Come to think of it, I probably should have had a more steady shot before.
Hit the boosters. Boost.
Jeez.
We made it. I don't believe it, but we made it. Now, let's get out.
Whoa, okay, yeah. Oh. I feel like we just watched this animation. Oh, jeez. Wow, we have a really bad pilot.
Yes, Chewie will pilot us in remote. You retrieved 1 container of coaxium. This will greatly help the resistance. You have heard the First Order and made Chewie proud.
Yeah, but think of how much damage we caused.
Modest profit. Your cut minus what you owe me for damaging the Falcon is...
Like I said.
That is rough.
Yes, it was.
R5, damage report.
Lots.
Engine failure. All right.
Oh, there's a little screen over here.
Hyperdrive leak. That is not too good. Multiple hull crashes. Well, it could be worse.
Hey, guess what?
Life support failure. Okay, that's something. I'm just going to... Whoa! Looks like we're ready to unload.
So it looks like I forgot to record an outro. This ride is pretty cool. It reminds me a lot of Mission Space with the different roles and buttons you press. And of course, it also reminds me of Star Tours for obvious reasons. The whole capsule tilts and goes along with the visuals, but it's a larger pod and more space, like Space Tours. It's a little bit of both. I don't think I would have waited a long time for it, but just wanted to make my video and add it to everyone else's video. That's why I shot some video of myself recording, so at least have something different. But I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching this video all the way through, and please exit through the gift shop. Hey, since we're here in Galaxy's Edge, let's check out their gift shop. It's $124 for this completely practical jacket. Absolutely practical. I'll take 3. $19.99 for blinders with light effects. I'm sorry, what?